This is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how you can make $1,000 a day from free traffic without selling. Before that, let's go to my screen and we are looking at 7 days stats of my vendor account on Warrior Plus. Vendor account means this is the section where I sell my products. So in last 7 days, basically in last 3 days, we have generated $13,395 from a product launch. It's probably the lowest launch I have ever had in my life, but $30,000 is not bad at all. It's super awesome, especially when all this came from free traffic. Now let's go to the traffic section. You see the money here. All this money is generated from this particular number called hops. This hops is traffic. Traffic clicked on their links. Those clicks are called hops. All these hops were generated from the promotions of the affiliates, and the affiliates made 50% of the sales revenue when a sale occurred. So basically out of $13,395, $7,295 was affiliate commissions. Rest is mine. Now, launching a product is a huge set of tasks altogether. If anything goes wrong, the launch will go wrong. So it's a lot of work, and we are not going to talk about product launch in this video. We're going to talk about shortcut, easier way to make money. Now, in case if you are interested to learn about product launches, let me know in the comments. If I get 100 comments requests for a product launch video series, I'll make a series of videos to teach you how to launch a product. So did you like this video? Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube knows you are the right person to notify when we will upload our next video. But let's go to the shortcut. The shortcut is affiliate marketing. Now, better, we're not even going to affiliate marketing here. We're basically talking about the power of traffic, and we'll go to free traffic from here, so stay tuned. Now, how can you get free traffic? When I will show you the platform where you can get free traffic, you will say, Mosh, I already know about it. But trust me, you don't know it all. Even no one knows it all, because they always improve their algorithm. They always update their system, so there is always something new. So the platform I'm talking about is Facebook, but here is something new that yes, probably you already know and you have already seen how it works. But maybe you don't know that you can get free traffic and make money without selling anything. Got it? Let's see this. This is a post I have seen in one of my friend's profile. Now, who goes to anyone's profile? People love to visit the news feeds, right? Just scroll the news feed and you know everything about which friend is doing what. That's good enough. And you want to make a comment, you want to like, engage, do that, come back, post again, or keep scrolling. That's what we do. But it didn't happen this way. My friend updated his profile picture. And once he updated his profile picture, I remembered him. Oh my God, it's an old friend. Why don't I go to his profile and have a look how he's doing? And I went to his profile and I saw this post. Now, personally, just from the URL, I knew that this is not really a legit post or a legit share. But I saw 6 likes and I saw 3 comments. I thought, why not I click and have a look what Mel Gibson is up to. I personally like Mel Gibson, and it's about Australians are making money. Why not I have a look? Maybe I can also make money. So I ended up here. Again, just by looking at the URL, I know that this is not a legit post, but most people will not know that this is a legit or illegit post. Now, I am not asking you to go through this path. I'm just showing you how to get free traffic, okay? So now when you go and scroll through, all right, you see an article and it's written in a very nice, persuasive way to get the click on the links. And if you click any link, it will take you to this page. No matter which link you click on this page, it will take you to this page. Now, what is this page? Can you recognize what this page is? I always talk about this page on my videos because this particular type of page changed my life, changed Mark Zuckerberg's life, it changed Google's life, it changed everybody's life in the internet. This is the page which everyone should be using. It's an opt-in page. It has a couple of things only, but mainly they want one thing first from the visitors, and that is the email address. So the first name, last name, video, all these bells and whistles you see, they all came for one thing: to get the email address. Why? Because after getting the email address, you can connect with your audience. You can build rapport with your audience by sending nice emails. Don't worry, link in the description will give you my very personal opt-in page builder software that can turn any PDF in the world into nice flipbook that is actually an opt-in page. Nobody can open the PDF or the flipbook without signing up in the opt-in page. And then the automated system will drive referral traffic. This is so awesome, and it's 100% free. Link in the description. Go get it and use it. So they're building lists, we understand. But not only that, there is something to learn here. In the page, they also mention the steps that you want to go through. And the steps are: first, enter your details to sign up for free account, which is awesome. And the second one, you have to pay initial investment of $250 US dollars. Now, here is a trick they have done here. In case you click the first link, you will end up here on the opt-in page, and no matter what you do, they will try to get your email address. But at the same time, they're filtering out the people who are broke and they don't have money. When you see the step number 2, that you have to deposit some initial account, if you close this page, then the broke person will just close this page because they know they have to spend money. But the person who has money and is ready to invest to make more money, they will probably read the step 3, try to understand what it is, and then click and sign up and then see what to do about it. Am I right? Now again, you don't need to copy this page, and I have no idea whether they're making money from this or not. And unfortunately, I have tried to research and I found they are scams. Okay, so this is a scam. This is a scam network, a scammy website. This is what actual ABC News is saying. So I don't want you to do exactly what they're doing, but you can follow the model in legit business. We were talking about in this video about traffic. So how can you get traffic? Traffic is on Facebook. Because I am in money making niche, I'm always finding new ideas how to make money, trying new stuff, and also getting ideas from my videos and contents for my visitors, my customers. So I click on these things. That is the point. People click on links if they are interested in. So now I'm going to show you a legit way to get traffic and actually make money without selling. Ready for this? This is an ugly website. You can have this kind of website, link in the description. It's free, my software, you can get it and use it and get this kind of website. But what does this do? This translates. This help people translate. Why am I talking about translation? Because if you look at Uber Suggest or any keyword planner tool, you'll find over 30 million people per month search for the keyword translate. Everybody needs translation, especially people like me who are not English native. I always look for English translations. But a lot of people need to translate Spanish to English and vice versa. So you can see the number of searches, 37 million, 6 million. So even if all my customers start doing it, still you can get millions of traffic. Link in the description will give you 100% free a software that will turn your website into a translation service, and then you can post it anywhere you want, especially on Facebook. Now, how can you get traffic? Very easy. Post it in your profile and people will know about it. You see, in my bio, I have added one of my sales pages and I get a lot of sales from here. Whenever I make a post about something or I comment on someone's posts, my posts are helpful or my replies are helpful, people want to look at who am I, what I do. And when they find a helpful, really helpful, life-changing software like VidCloud, they end up buying. Super awesome. you can put your opt-in page or your interactive translation website. Link in the description. It's free, by the way. Put it here and people will get translations and you will get free traffic. How can you get more free traffic? Go to the groups about grammar or language learning. So let's say grammar. I just searched with grammar out of nowhere and I found grammar English learning on Facebook, basic English and grammar. These are groups. Go join these groups, hang out with people, help them with answers. A lot of people will see your post and come back to your profile and they will see your website is helping with translation. They will end up using it. When they use, you get traffic. How do you make money? You don't make money immediately. You ask them to get something for you for free, and just like this opt-in page, use my opt-in page builder software, by the way, and give them away free stuff for free in exchange of their email address, and then build rapport with them using nice emails, and you'll get free email templates, by the way. That's totally free. Link in the description. Then when you connect with your audience, ask them to buy something from you and they will buy it. One of the quickest ways to make money as a grammar or translation authority or an affiliate is by becoming Grammarly.com affiliate. Go and search Grammarly.com/affiliates and you'll find when people sign up for free account, you get 20 cents, which is awesome. And when someone purchases a premium plan, you'll get $20 commission, which is also super awesome. All this by asking people to join your mailing list for free. So you're not selling anything. You're helping them with free stuff, and put your affiliate link somewhere so they find it whenever they want to buy. And that is it. Go use Facebook and Facebook's. So can we go back to the summary? Use my free software to build opt-in page. It turns any PDF into your opt-in page, into your lead magnet, and into your referral traffic driving system. And then use my software down below to turn your website into interactive translation website. Then go and join grammar related or language related Facebook groups. Connect with these people. Put your website link in your profile, in your bio. So when they find you helpful, all these millions of people you see here, 1 million members here, 725,000 members here, and it's only about English grammar learning. There are so many languages and so many opportunities. When they find you helpful, they will come back to your bio and your profile. They will find your website. They will end up using it, coming back over and over, and on your page, through your opt-in page, they will join your mailing list, and eventually you can send them CPA offers, affiliate offers, especially affiliate offers like Grammarly, which is awesome. For a free sign up, you can make 20 cents. And from a purchase, you can make $20. That's super awesome, right? Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. And watch our other videos. We talk about how you can make money the most legit way and easy way. And we will see you in the next video.